So in this question, Victor needs to create a problem that can be solved using y equals 1300 minus 25x. Oops, where's my pen? There we go. Now, so he wants to get a sense of how this relation looks. So he made a table of values where he's got x and y, and here he shows what the relation is for y, how it's related to x. So as x goes from 0 to 1 to 2 to 3, the y value goes from 1300 down by 25 to 1275, 1250, 1225. So there's a rate of change here of negative 25. We've seen that before. There's a number associated with the variable. So he needs to come up with a problem. He recognizes that the distance from Winnipeg to Banff is 1300 and that he can cycle about 25 kilometers per day. So he's creating a problem that he can ask how long will the bike trip take if he's going from Winnipeg to Banff. So he wants to find out the amount of time. So y is going to be the distance remaining, because remember he's starting 1300 kilometers away and he's getting closer, so y is going to be the distance remaining, and x is going to be the amount of time that it takes. So let's say time in days. So if he's completed the trip, then y, there's no distance remaining, so you could say that y is 0, and now everything's a number except for x, and he can solve for x. He can find out how much time, how many days it will take for him to get there. So just like we've done before, you can add 25x to both sides. Maybe you guys haven't done that before with me, but you can get 25x by itself and positive, so add 25x to both sides, you get this. If you divide both sides by 25 to get x all by itself, you get that, 1300 divided by 25. And if you do that division, you get that x is equal to 52. And since x is the time in days, then that means that the bike trip will take 52 days.